Running a small business in 2025? These 5 AI tools can save you hours, replace entire employees, and help you grow without hiring anyone. Tool guy sai 2-1. Durable.co. Durable is an AI website builder that creates a full site for your business in 30 seconds. You just answer a few questions, and Durable writes the copy, builds the layout, adds contact forms, everything. It's perfect for service-based businesses, freelancers, and local shops. Tool 2, Tidio. Tidio is like hiring a 24/7 customer service rep, but it's an AI chatbot. It answers FAQs, collects leads, and even solves common customer problems while you sleep. You can plug it into Shopify, WordPress, or your existing site in minutes. Tool 3, Bric-a-Brac. Need eye-catching product visuals? Bric-a-Brac turns plain product photos into polished, ad-ready images using AI. Great for social media, Etsy, Shopify, or online ads. Tool 4, ClickUp AI. ClickUp is a project management platform, but the AI built in can handle your emails, create task lists, automate workflows, and summarize meetings. It's like having a full admin assistant without the salary. Tool 5, Copy.ai. Copy.ai helps you write product descriptions, ads, emails, social media captions, even blog posts. It saves you hours of writing and helps you sound professional even if you're not a writer. You don't need a big team, just smart tools. Try these out and let me know in the comments which one you'd use first. And if you want more AI tools that make business easier, don't forget to subscribe.